So the long time of anticipation was worth it. And after all, the world-famous stars from the US turned out to be very nice and relatable, giving the 10 Rain artists some really helpful advice.
Awesome! I felt like jumping off a roof, like for real.
Because Tanel was in there.
And after that, when I touched Junior's hand, man, Junior, Common Kings. Junior! That is all.
Last week we went to meet the Common Kings and I was very inspired by them because I've never met them and I've just listened to two of their songs. It's Addicted and something and Wade in the Water, and to finally meet them, it was really a good experience.
It was unbelievable.
And support each other, you know, really back each other on what you want to be successful in, you know, playing or singing or whatever it may be. But yeah, we're proud of you guys, man. Please keep it up. Thank you.
Thank you so much for those words of encouragement. I'm sure these are treasures and gold that we will take forever as we all journey together. We just have one very humble request, Are you guys able to sing us a song?
Yeah. Whoa. Yeah. Get the juice that makes my knees weak. My Grey Goose, baby, you complete the next train. My petroleum engine shot to you, so into you, in my Malibu. My passion for you, like me I say, baby, it turns blue when you go away. So in love with you, girl, so thirsty. Yeah. Cause I'm so drunk off your love, girl, the buzzing. And I can't get enough of your loving, slipping it down, girl. I love it, yeah. You're the reason I'm in alcohol. You're the reason I'm in alcohol.
Before, it was really exciting. I was really excited to meet like international artists, especially the Common Kings, because I've heard so much of their songs and their album and stuff. And it was an honor meeting them, and I was really excited and I was really blessed as well. I learned to keep on pursuing my dreams and my career because I know it's going to take me somewhere.
What I learned while after meeting the Common Kings was it's not easy to become a singer, a professional singer, or to be well known in the community or in the society.
The Common Kings, when they came, wow, they were so inspiring. They were telling us never to lose hope in music.
Despite the challenges when they started out with a band, they managed to pull it out through and they are now famous as a group. I love meeting with the Common Kings because first things first, they sang a song to us, my favorite, Alcoholic, and secondly, they used my guitar.
I love meeting up with the Common Kings because they really inspired me.
No, to be able to listen to them live, you know, without the mics, anything, just to be able to stand with them and see that they have raw talent, like real talent that's out there. Yeah, I think that was the best thing about meeting them.
They're really amazing if you actually hear them sing in front of you. And the fact that we were there alone with them made it even more special for me. I became like a really big fan in an instant.
I got the chance to talk to their drummer, and I asked the drummer, how do they come up with their own songs? And they said they just think of an idea and they come up with all the lines and they try to add a melody. They'll rehearse it for like a month and they'll take it to studio to sing it. So yeah, it was really cool.
Yeah, that was that. Is that the last question? Please tell me. Thank you. Peace.
Your love is the only love I'm tasting. Baby girl, you're so intoxicating. I'ma keep sipping on your love. Girl, I've never been so drunk. Cause I'm so drunk off your love, girl, I'm buzzing. And I can't get enough. Hey, love it. Sipping you down, baby. Yeah. You're the reason, you're the reason. Yeah, yeah. You're the reason I'm in love. Holly.
After all this excitement, they had to take some more photos. Naturally. A week later, the team came together for a social gathering. Let's hear if they made any progress.
Hi everybody, I'm Anna. I'll be singing a song called Try by Colby Calliot. The message to this song is mostly to women, to girls. Like you don't have to put on makeup and all that to look beautiful, but you can just be yourself and enjoy you, like Lucy. Yeah, I hope you enjoy it. You don't have to try so hard. You don't have to give it all away. You just have to get up, get up, get up, get up. You don't have to change a single thing. You don't have to try, 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 try. You don't have to try, 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 try. You don't have to try, 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 try. You don't have to try.
'Cause I'm so drunk, I feel I've got nothing, and I can't get enough of your loving. Sit me down, girl, I love it, yeah, yeah, yeah. You're the reason I'm an alcoholic. Oh, wow, you're the reason I'm an alcoholic. Chauffeur, you're the juice that makes my knees weak. My Grey Goose, baby, you can take the next string. My Patron and taking shots of you. So into you, you're my Malibu.